Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today I want to discuss this tool openbb, and this is a AI powered tool, and this is gonna change how you research a particular stock with all the things that you do, starting from your fundamental analysis or a technical analysis or searching through the web. All the things are in one place in this tool, right? So this is gonna really help you dig deeper in a particular stock analysis. Okay, so without any further ado, let's dig in. Okay, so openbb.co, right? So this is as soon as you type that, this is the tool, and since I have already subscribed to this is completely free. There are some features which are in the pro, but you really don't need them to do your analysis. All the analysis that I have done is on completely on a free tier, right? So you can directly go to this, create your account, and you would be all set, right? So I want to just quickly go over some key things that I have tested so far, and they work wonderfully well. And this is a lot of things that I'm gonna make a series out of it with everything that you can possibly do in this. But I want to give you in this particular video a quick overview of the things that I found useful so far, and I'm going to research more and create more videos in this series. So once you are in the way this works is this is all based on the widgets, right? So these are all the widget setup on the left hand side that you see is a different dashboard that you will see, and then on the middle section this is all widgets, and you can all add like a different widgets from here, and you can search whatever widgets you want. So this is right now, this has the earning transcripts. I'm going to go through a couple of use cases that you can do. So one I will do is the transcript related, and the other one is the market sentiment, right? And I'll also show you some other dashboards quickly. But as I said, this is pretty vast, and I'm gonna make a series out of it on explaining different useful features that you can use in this. But for now, I'm gonna give you a couple of use cases for this, right? So this is the middle, the widgets, and then on the right side is where the interesting stuff happens, right? Here is the OpenPilot, the chat box that it uses. So let's go through the first use case, right? So the first use case is about, let's say you have the NVIDIA earnings call, right? And you cannot attend that, and post that you want to see the what are the highlights from that earnings call. So what you can do is you select this earnings transcripts widget, and you say Q4, right? So you can you can put this here. So you can then expand this for more. You expand it here, and then let's say Q3 2024, right? You want to see what are the highlights from that earnings call. Okay, so first thing is you add this to the context. So now the chat that you see here, the AI powered chat, knows about context, right? So once this added in the context, they have given this example here as well, right? So I'm just gonna take that as our input, right? So you give this. Now since we want to know about the Q3 of 2024, so I'll give this one, and then you submit that, right? And then it's gonna basically spit out analyzing all that earnings transcript to give you the high level things, what all things happen here, right? And interestingly, you can also go ahead and add this as a widget here, right? So that gets added here in the widget. So that is the first use case. I'll just go to one more use case that you can do here, right? Which is basically if you wanna, let's say, based on the all the analyst target and the news and the price history of Nvidia, you want to know what are the sentiment for this stock, and what are the price target specifically for Nvidia, right, in coming months. So for that, what you can do is you can add one more widget here, which will be the price targets, the price target by analysts, right? So you add that widget here. So now that everything is set up, what you can do is you add the news to the context, right? Add the news to the context. For the price history, let's take like a 1 year of price history, and then you add that into the context, and then you add the analyst here, right? So analyst, we just say Nvidia. So Nvidia is there. Now you add that, and I think this is Nvidia, this is Nvidia. So all these are added, right? And after that, I have already curated one prompt here. So let's say a smaller prompt, right? So it's basically saying, based on that context provided, you want to know the market sentiment about this stock, right? So that's the context is already set, and with that you want to know where the market what the market thinks about this particular stock, right? And I'm just giving you an example of Nvidia, but the same thing would apply to any other stock, right? So this is gonna, based on all that context, this is gonna give you all the different price targets, right? So you can see the positive sentiment. It says that because of the AI growth, market position, it also give you some challenges that you can look at. And this is the price target based on all the analysts target here, right? So based on that, you can actually see what are the price targets. You can use a bigger, like a more descriptive prompt like this, right, which basically will help to further give this data in more detailed form. So this is a more detailed prompt which says that analyze based on these specific things and instruct the AI to say, please provide me data in a different in a more detailed fashion, right? So and this is a more descriptive detail about the market sentiment, right? So this is the kind of research that you can use all in one place, right? You can look at the price target, get all the news, get all the analysts price targets, and then synthesize everything and giving that research data, right? So all this is happening and it's being done by AI for you, right? So this is a pretty handy thing to do any stock analysis. So that was two use cases, guys. For now I'm gonna stop it here on this analysis use cases, but there are a lot of other things that you can do here. There is like a separate analyst dashboard that you can see, right? So there are like different the analyst estimates you can see in a kind of a chart form, right? So you can actually expand this and really see, if you want to see Nvidia again, right? So you can see how that Nvidia has been doing in terms of their EBITDA performance and the overall, if you want to see the P ratio, right? So that's also shown here. So every detail you can actually do within the same dashboard, right? So that's the power of this platform. I am going, like I said in the beginning, I'm gonna create separate videos for each of the features and what are the most useful features that I was able to use. So if you have not subscribed, guys, do subscribe. Those videos are gonna come soon. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you like this tool and you will make full use of it in your stock research. If you have any questions, put your questions down in the comment below and I will reply to that. I'll talk to you in my next video, guys. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.